Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Concept, and today we will be talking about particularly volume PCR. Okay, but before starting the video, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install the Concept application. Okay, after successful registration, you will get some 25 free tools here. Okay, you will get some 25 free tools here that you can use for your trading. Okay, now in the learn section we have our video library. Okay, so we have made multiple videos in our video library that are based on various tools and Pro Plus strategies, right? So you can also go with them in your meantime. They are available in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi and Tamil as well, right? So you can choose your preference. At any point of time, if you are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can go in the profile section, and in the support you will get our contact number and email ID, right? So you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. Right now, getting back to today's topic, that is PCR. So I'll be talking about how you can trade with the PCR effectively. Okay, so when we are talking about PCR, so I think many of you must have heard about PCR, right? PCR. Now there are two types of PCR, that is OI PCR, okay, and then there is volume PCR. Volume PCR. Okay, so we have covered it in many of the sessions, but today I'll be covering it particularly volume PCR. Okay, now whenever I'm talking about PCR, so it means put call ratio. Okay, put call ratio. Okay, when I talk about OI side, it means put call ratio of OI. When I talk about volume, it means put call ratio of volume. Okay, they are different from each other because the OI and volume is also different from each other, right? When I talk about OI, it gives me information about sellers, you can say, okay, and you can say we interpret OI in terms of seller. And when I talk about volume, okay, so it gives me informations about buyers, or you can say we interpret volume in terms of buyers. I hope you got it, right? So if you are clear about it, so now when I will talk about volume PCR, so it means volume of put upon volume of call, right? Volume of put, volume of call. I just told you, whenever we are talking about volume, we will interpret in terms of buyers. So it means the put buyers, okay, upon volume call, so it means call buyer, right? Call buyer. So put buyer who wants market to go in the upward direction. Okay, just a second. Yeah, right. Okay, so put buyer. Okay, so for example, this was the level, this was the level, right? If at this level there are put buyers, it means they want market to go in the negative direction, right? They want market to go in the negative direction because they have bought the put. Okay, so they will get profit when the market will go in the negative direction. So put buy means the market is in, you can say overall the market will be sell because they want market to go in the negative direction, right? Sell. When I will talk about, when I'm talking about call buy, it means if there is a level, so call buyer wants market to go above that level, right? Above that level, so it means buy. It means buy. Okay, so now this is your overall definition from this one, volume PCR, right? So now at any point of time, if my sellers are greater than buyers, it means my volume PCR, it will be greater than 1. How? I'll tell you. For example, there is one buyer and one seller, so then this ratio will be 1. Then this volume PCR, it will be 1 whenever there is a equal buyer and equal sellers, right? Now if I'll increase one more seller here, so if I'll increase one more seller here, I'm telling you here, if I'll increase one more seller here, so 1 plus 1, okay, and here I'll keep it remain at 1. Okay, so now it is 2 1. Okay, so when I'll do it, so the ratio will be 2, right? It means if I'll increase the seller, okay, by any quantity, so it will give me a reading more than 1. Okay, so the conclusion from here, is whenever my volume PCR is it is 1, it means equal number of buyer and seller. Okay, equal number of buyer and seller, or you can say the market is in neutral state. the market is in neutral state when my volume PCR is 1. Okay, when my volume PCR, okay, when my volume PCR, it is greater than 1. It is greater than 1. So if it is greater than 1, it means the sellers are in stronger side. There are more sellers than buyers. Okay, so whenever the volume PCR will be greater than 1, it means the market is in selling condition, so you can sell at that time. Okay, and whenever my volume PCR, okay, it is less than 1, so you can say at that time there is the buying scenario in the market. Okay, so you can note that anywhere when volume PCR is 1, it means the condition is neutral state, equal number of buyers, equal number of sellers. Whenever my volume PCR is greater than 1, it means right now that there is a selling condition, and whenever the volume PCR is less than 1, it means there is buying happening in the market. Right? I hope this is clear. Okay, so now if it is clear, so I will also made a conclusion from this one. Okay, and what that what that conclusion is, okay, if my volume PCR is increasing, it means the price is decreasing. Why? Because volume PCR, when it is increasing, when it is greater than 1, okay, and it is increasing, it means then there is a sell, it means price is going down. So I have made a conclusion, volume PCR increasing, so means price is decreasing. And whenever my volume PCR, okay, it will be decreasing, okay, it means the price is increasing. Right? So I hope this is all clear. Okay, so now we got a overall conclusion. हमने जितना भी पढ़ा तो हम उसके एक conclusion पे आए हैं, और ये हमारा conclusion है जो आपको याद रखना है. पहले हमने पढ़ा वॉल्यूम पीसीआर क्या है, क्या इफेक्ट वो डालता है, और लास्ट में ये हमारा रिलेशन बन गया. तो अब मैं देखूंगा कि जब भी मेरे को whenever I'll analyze my volume PCR is getting higher and higher, so at that time my price will decrease, so I'll go with the put buying, और मैं उस टाइम पे सेलिंग की तरफ जा सकता हूं. Right? You can also apply this strategy for short also. ठीक है, अगर आप एक्सपायरी के दिन ट्रेड कर रहे हो, ओके, व्हेन यू आर ट्रेडिंग इन एक्सपायरी एंड इफ योर वॉल्यूम पीसीआर इज इंक्रीजिंग, राइट, सो व्हाट यू कैन एनालाइज एट दैट टाइम द प्राइस विल बी डिक्रीजिंग. Right? And if your volume PCR is stagnant at a place, if your volume PCR is not moving or it is equal to 1, so at that time the market will be neutral state, so that will be the time when you can do the selling. आप short की तरफ जा सकते हो, you can make your, आप एक call को बेच सकते हो, एक put को बेच सकते हो, and you can make a straddle for yourself. Okay, आप वहां पे क्या कर सकते हो, एक zone trading कर सकते हो, that will give you a benefit as a seller also. Right? So now let's analyze it in chart. Okay, so I am opening Coincept application here, and in analyze we have a section for PCR. Right? In PCR we have volume PCR, so you have to select this. Right? Now you can see there is a chart also, so whenever you can analyze, see, this is my volume PCR which is in blue line. Okay, and this line is my price that is moving. Right? My volume PCR is always mean reverting. And what you mean by mean reverting? It means it will never go like this. It will never go like this, and then it is moving, and then again in the uptrend, then again in the uptrend. It will not move like this, right? How it will move? It is also always mean reverting. It means it will go above, then it will come down. Okay, so like this, it will always move in a range. So, okay, so that is what we call mean reverting. Okay, so now I can analyze from this graph, whenever there is a downtrend in my volume PCR, it at that time you can see there is an increase in my price. Right? You can see this. Okay, so I have validated my readings. Okay, जो मैंने आपको अभी पढ़ाया कि वॉल्यूम पीसीआर जब गिरेगा तो उस टाइम पे प्राइस इंक्रीज होगा. ठीक है, और जहां पे आप देखो whenever my volume PCR is increasing from here to this level, so at that time you can see the price is also decreasing. ओके, सो यू हैव गॉट इट. आपने जो भी पढ़ा उसको एक बार आपने ऐसे वेरीफाई कर लिया चार्ट से कि यस इट इज ऑल्सो हैपनिंग इन द पास्ट ऑल्सो. राइट? सो जो भी मैंने अभी पढ़ा वो सही है. ओके, अब मैं इसको देखूंगा कि हाउ आई कैन यूज इट इन द मार्केट. सो इफ आई एनालाइज इट हियर फ्रॉम 26 September to 27, राइट, my volume PCR was 1.028. 1.028, it means it is greater than 1. Right? Now if I can see on the from 26 to 20 September, it went from 1.028 to 0.832. It means the volume PCR has decreased from 26 to 27. राइट। तो वॉल्यूम पीसीआर गिर गया तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा, मैंने आपको बताया था व्हेन वॉल्यूम पीसीआर विल डिक्रीज सो देयर इज अ इनवर्स रिलेशन विद द प्राइस, तो प्राइस इंक्रीज होगा। ओके, तो अगर मेरा ये डिक्रीज हुआ तो यू कैन सी फ्रॉम 26,226 टू 26,382 अप्रोक्सीमेटली आपको यहां पे कितने का मूवमेंट मिला है, तो करीबन करीबन आपको 100 पॉइंट का यहां पे मूवमेंट मिला है। ठीक है, 100 पॉइंट से भी ऊपर का 150 पॉइंट्स का आपको निफ्टी में मूवमेंट यहां पे मिला है। Okay, similarly I can analyze when it went from 1.005 to 1.007. ओके, ज्यादा बड़ा रेशियो भी नहीं है, 0.2 से बड़ा है, बट स्टिल आई कैन सी फ्रॉम 944 टू 998 आया है बिकॉज देयर वाज नॉट दैट मच मूवमेंट इन द मार्केट। Okay, so whenever I will analyze that my volume PCR is greater than 1 and it is constantly increasing, so what at that time what I can do, I can go for my selling side। अगर मेरा volume PCR increasing, so I can go for the selling side कि at that time I can buy put also that my price will decrease। okay, and same vice versa, अगर volume PCR will decrease, so at that time I'll go for the buying side। ठीक है, तो what you can analyze, for example you are in a expiry and in expiry what we want, we generally want a volatility in the market, we want a good trade जिसमें काफी maximum momentum आपको मिले, right? So at that time if and at any point of time अगर आप एनालाइज करोगे कि if your volume PCR, अभी इस डेट को छोड़ दो, ठीक है, अगर आप एनालाइज करोगे कि आपका वॉल्यूम PCR 0.785 है, ओके, एंड इट जंप्ड फ्रॉम 0.75 टू 0.905, इट मींस नाउ वॉल्यूम PCR इज इंक्रीजिंग। Okay, volume PCR is increasing, so there will be a decrease in the price also। ठीक है, तो at that time what you can do, you can go for the put buying, or you can also analyze that there will be a good momentum because your PCR is fluctuating so much, right? So सिर्फ volume PCR को देख के भी you can analyze the overall situation of the market, right? आपको ये वॉल्यूम कहां पे मिलेगा, तो if you are trading with the help of Quantcept, so you can go in the track section, just a second, you can go in the track section, we have option chain। okay, so here you can see right now if I'm analyzing Nifty, so if my Nifty is right now at 26,300, at 26,300 sorry ATM price, if I'll ignore this open interest, okay, so I can see right now my volume at this point is, at this strike rate is 282 lakh, approximately 282 lakh। okay, so I'll note it down। so in call side, call volume is volume is 282, okay, 282 lakh। okay, at the same time if I'll go in the put side, I can see the volume in this section is approximately 152 lakh, 152 lakh in put side। okay, if I'll make the put call ratio here, so it is 152 upon 282, 152 upon 282, right? so if I'll apply it is approximately 2 times, approximately 2 times, right? it means my buyers are stronger at this level, my buyers are stronger at ATM level, right? so currently if my market is at ATM price at 26 to 27 and if there is equal open interest in both the side, so at that time I can go with my volume PCR। my volume PCR is suggesting me that at this price at this level, okay, there are buyers stronger than the sellers। okay, the call side is stronger than the put side, so I can go for the buying position के लिए मैं यहाँ पे जा सकता हूँ, right? so this is how you can analyze your volume PCR। ठीक है, अगर कभी भी you are seeing that open interest में आप confuse हो रहे हो, दोनों साइड पे you are seeing good open interest, you are confused कि at which direction the market will move, then you can always take the help of this volume, you can analyze the volume PCR। I have shown you the volume PCR in option chain, how you can calculate it। at the same time in the analyze section we have a separate column for volume PCR, so you can analyze the volume from that segment also, right? so I hope guys काफी क्लियर हो गया होगा। we have covered volume PCR, काफी अच्छे से हमने कवर किया। अगर आपको पसंद आया आप एक लाइक कर सकते हो वीडियो को, यू कैन शेयर इट ऑल्सो विद योर फ्रेंड्स, ओके, कमेंट कर सकते हो अपने व्यू, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो। आई एम योर ट्रेनर अंकित सिंह रावत। हैव अ वेरी गुड डे।